Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Spotify email address, profile settings step by step clearly. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Go to spotify.com and make sure the page fully loads. Click the login button at the top right of the screen. Sign in with the method you normally use, like email and password, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you are asked for verification, complete the security step to enter your account. After logging in, look for your profile icon or your name in the top right corner. Click your profile icon or name to open the account menu. Select Account to open your Spotify account page. On the account page, find the section called Account Overview. Scroll until you see the email line in your profile details. Click the Edit Profile button if you see it near your account details. If you do not see Edit Profile, look for a Profile or Edit Profile tab on the same page. Click into the email field so your cursor is active in the box. Carefully type your new email address without extra spaces. Double-check the spelling, especially the @ symbol and the domain part like gmail.com. If Spotify asks for your current password, type it to confirm the change. If you are logged in with Apple, Google, or Facebook, be aware that email changes may need to be done in that provider account. When you are ready, click Save Profile or Save Changes. Wait a few seconds for Spotify to process and apply the update. Look for a confirmation message on the page that says your profile was updated. Now open your email inbox for the new email address you entered. Check for a verification or confirmation email sent by Spotify. If the email is not in your inbox, check the spam or junk folder. Open the Spotify email and click the verification link if it is provided. Go back to your Spotify account page and refresh the browser tab. Confirm that the email line now shows your new email address. If you cannot access the old email anymore, use Spotify support and choose Account Help to recover and update it securely. For extra security, change your Spotify password after updating your email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.